Hello YouTube and welcome to my first ever video. I am Ruby Cancer and today we are going to be doing our very first card opening. Today we'll be opening 3 packs of Breakpoint. I've never done a video before and excuse me for the quality. Right now I need some help for this video, so my brother David is holding the camera. Say hi, David.
Hi.
Okay then. And today we're going to try and find our first ever EX from this set. When I got these things, they were all Mewtwo except for one. And that one turned up matching, so we'll start with that one first. One, two, three. Okay then, we start out with Pancham, Inkay, Swinub, Starly, Finnegan, a reverse ticket, Prinplup, Skyla, a reverse is a Vanillite, and our rare is a non-hollow Smeargle. Except for the Vanillite, that was a pretty good one. Now next, we're going to be doing this Mega Houndoom pack next. Oh, this one's a bit more harder to open. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay then. Our first card in this pack is a Swinub, a Noibat, a Skidoo, a Zora, the cute version of it, another Vanillite, a Piloswine, Rainbow Energy, Braixen, our hollow is a Floetta, I think. And our rare is going to be an Artillery. Hollow, actually. Pretty nice.
Yep.
But still not an EX. So far, so not good. Next one will be... I think this is Mewtwo Y.
Yeah.
Tell me in the comment sections if I'm right or wrong. Okay then. We go 1, 2, 3. These are the uncommons. These 2 are the rares. And hollow foil. Next is L-Beam, a Ghastly, a Meowth stranded in the desert, Pansear, Ralts, Sandslash from Generation 1, my time, Heavy Boots, Fisherman, Zoroa, the cute version again, and this time in reverse hollow. That's so cute. And our rare is a Seismipore. Non-hollow. Looks like we didn't get anything spectacular today, but at least we got some cards. Some good ones, some bad ones. Okay, comment and like if you want me to do more of these kind of videos with you guys. And if you like Grumpy Cat, I hope you like him very well because you're going to see him a lot. Thank you.